basically the nature of the war changed and the frequency of the war changed as well, where death rate was reduced, but the nature of the war changed in a way that it happened in the form of civil war or within the country rather than the superpowers going ahead on. Then the basic assumptions of liberal theories are optimism. It gives an optimistic view about the anarchical international system where states are rational actors and they develop international organizations which facilitate cooperation between them. And it resides over the principles of reciprocity and identity. And furthermore, it gives the domestic and individual analysis since it considers the state as a rational actor, rational and independent from the other states. Then the liberalism concept was given by the philosopher Kant, and the state cooperate in a way that they develop an organizations which are neutral in nature supposedly, and it also gives a framework where internal nature of the internal characteristics of the government of the local government represents its international outlook. Like if the state is democratic or liberal, it will have a good international outlook, whereas where the totalitarian or dictatorship prevails, it gives a bad outlook on the international level. Then coming to the concept of liberal institutionalism, it basically considered the state as a national actor who cooperates willingly. And example of this type of institutes are United Nations or World Trade Organization and European Union. And it promotes trade, which creates economic interdependence. But the drawback of economic interdependence is that if a country depends on the other country for sensitive resources like arms, and it will make him vulnerable in the long run. Then coming to the concept of neoliberalism, basically states it shares the concept with the theory of realism that states are independent and take their decision autonomously in the international system. Yet it differs from the realism where states tend to cooperate rather than go for the violent strategies. And with the passage of time, when the institutions are developed, states eventually learn to use the institutions for their benefits, like World Trade Organization or European Union, which are neutral authority, not authority in a proper definition, but still it poses a role of authority in the international regime. Then these neoliberalism based on the principles of reciprocity without central authority. It still make the international system anarchical, but states cooperate with each other, and there is a quid pro quo or a give and take between the states, like the situation in 2008 where Obama administration gave up their project of missile operations in Europe, and in return Russia supported the US sanctions in the United Nations. Then there is a collective good problem where states pursue long-term collective gains instead of narrow short-term gains, which ultimately result into self-harm or self-harm. And the institutions they develop, they converge the expectations of the states around the institutions and the norms. So they share their expectations because the rules and the norms are common, and the institutions too are common between the states. Then coming to the international international regime basically is a set of rules, norms and procedures around which the expectations of the states revolve. So when the states develop an institute, they make common rules around which they play. Then then their expectation to the institute are too shared. But realism go for the concept of hegemon, where it provides basis basis of hegemony, where the power is concentrated in the hands of one state. So it will eventually protect the status quo, like the nuclear proliferation program in the world going right now. It would accept the dominance of the currently 7 superpowers and stop the other countries from the pursuance of the nuclear deterrent, like sanctions on Iran. And in the concept of an international regime, the survival depends on the institutions, permanent institutions like NATO, IMF and UN. So their policy can be